We at Strategi Automation have developed a twin-station laser welding machine with a load monitoring feature. A Cartesian robot is used here to perform the welding operation along a programmed path. The process begins with the operator loading the housing assembly into the fixture. The flap assembly, cup spring, and lever are then manually placed one after the other in sequence. A smart camera checks for the presence and orientation of the spring. Before welding, the flap must be pushed up with a predefined force, and the required force is also applied in the opposite direction. Two servo-based slides with an integrated precision load cell arrangement apply the force and monitor it continuously. After the required load is reached, the pallet moves into the welding zone, where the laser head mounted on the Cartesian robot performs the welding operation. Once the operation is completed, the pallet moves out, and the operator manually unloads the part and loads a fresh one. For more such automation solutions, visit us at www.strategiautomation.com. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.